Select and Mask allows you to accurately and efficiently select a subject with ease. Here we have Junji the cockatiel who wants to visit his homeland of Australia. So let's use Select and Mask to isolate him and transport him to the land down under. First, you can access the Select and Mask function through any of the selection tools in the toolbar. In the option bar, click on the Select and Mask button or go to Select in the menu and choose Select and Mask. Either way gets you to the same place. On the left, you can find some new and familiar tools to make your selections. On the right is the Properties panel where you can use sliders to perfect your selection and settings for when you want to output your image. With one click, I will isolate Junji by clicking the Select Subject button. In the drop-down menu, you can choose from Device for less detailed results and Cloud for more accurate selections. Keep in mind you have to be connected to the internet to use the Cloud function. I'm going to choose Cloud to capture those crest feathers. In View mode, you can choose how to view your selection. You can adjust the opacity slider to change the background. By clicking the Refine Hair button, I can get an even better selection of the crest feathers. To get even more detail, I'll click on the Refine Edge brush tool. Adjust your brush size by clicking the open bracket to make it smaller or the close bracket to make it larger. Now I can apply the brush stroke to the outline of the feathers. Under Refine mode in the Properties panel, I will further perfect my selection. Click on Color Aware if there is a lot of contrast between the subject and the background. However, if the subject and the background are similar in contrast, use the Object Aware. Now I'll use the Edge Detection and Global Refinement sliders to create an accurate selection. I'm satisfied with the selection, so I'll go down to Output to and select New Layer with Layer Mask. Then click OK. Now I can move the selection to a new background. There, now Junji feels more at home. See how fast that was? Before, this could have taken me 3 times as long to isolate a subject. I encourage you to give the Select and Mask feature a try.